My dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. So in previous class already we have started the preparations of alcohols. First method was over, that is nothing but from alkyl halides. Now in this fifth video class we are going to discuss about the preparations of alcohols from alkanes. In that number one method, hydration of alkanes. So alkanes upon hydration, nothing but on reaction with water, they are going to produce, okay, now they are going to give the products, that is nothing but what beta alcohols. Okay, alkanes. So here I am going to take first of all alkane, double bonded compounds. They upon hydration means reaction with what beta? Water. Hydration takes place in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. You know this very well beta. So in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, alkanes upon reaction with water, they are going to give you the product. The product is nothing but alcohols. So how to say this statement? Alkanes on reaction with water in presence of dilute H2SO4, they are going to produce the product, that is nothing but what beta? Alcohol. Again this mechanism proceeds. So this is nothing but what, Nana? This reaction follows electrophilic addition reactions, because of you know very well in first year also we have prepared. Alkenes are highly reactive towards electrophilic addition reactions. Okay, statement. Alkanes on reaction with water in presence of dilute sulfuric acid gives what beta? Alcohols. Right. For this I am going to give you the example now. Alkane. What is the alkane? For suppose ethene. 2 carbon alkane is nothing but ethene na beta. So what is the formula of ethene? CH2 double bond CH2. So this is nothing but what beta? 2 carbon is eth and double bond is nothing but eth. Example for alkane. Right. So in presence of dilute H2SO4, always we have to do hydration, means we have to add the water molecule. So addition of water molecule takes place in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, and this reaction is nothing but electrophilic addition reaction. Right. Now water molecule contain H plus and OH minus. Now I am going to attack H plus on the first carbon. That means CH2 becomes CH3 and double bond becomes single bond, and remaining water molecule contain what beta? OH. That OH we are going to attack upon the second carbon. What is the second carbon? CH2 is it is going to attacked by OH. So we are getting the product is nothing but alcohol. The alcohol is nothing but ethyl alcohol, or we can say that ethanol. So hydration of ethene to ethanol. For this we have to write the mechanism. Beta. Mechanism was very important. It is important for 3 marks. In that mechanism 3 steps will be there. Okay, now very important beta. सबका mind में perfectly बैठ जाना बेटा. Don't do even small mistakes. Okay ना, migration of bond shifting भी perfectly बताना पड़ेगा. Right. So here we have studied hydration of ethene to ethanol. For this reaction we are going to discuss the mechanism. What is the heading? Mechanism of hydration of ethene to ethanol. How ethene is converted into ethanol upon the process is nothing but hydration. For that we are going to discuss the mechanism. So this mechanism going to be completed in how many steps? 3 steps. So this mechanism going to be involves mainly in 3 steps. Step number 1, protonation of ethene to form carbocation. Protonation का meaning we have to add the proton. Proton we have to be take from this acidic medium. So protonation of ethene. Ethene को proton add करना पड़ेगा. Then that forms carbocation. After addition of proton to ethene, ethene changes into what beta? Carbocation. Step 1 is quite opposite to third step. This is nothing but deprotonation. What beta? Deprotonation. Step 1 is protonation of ethene, last one is nothing but deprotonation. Step 1 में प्रोटॉन को ऐड करना पड़ेगा, लास्ट स्टेप में प्रोटॉन को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. What about intermediate step? Intermediate step is nothing but this one. What do you mean by this one? Hydration means we have to add the water. So water attack on carbocation will be takes place in second step. Step 1 protonation. Step 2 water attack. Step 3 deprotonation. These are the 3 main points you have to be focused on. Okay, step 1, protonation of ethene to form carbocation. What is the formula of ethene? CH2 double bond CH2. Ethene undergo what beta? Protonation, attacking of proton. Yes, here I am going to consider step 1 is always reversible process, and here I am going to consider proton. What is the symbol of proton beta? H plus. That H plus taken from acidic medium sulfuric acid. That's why we have to say this mechanism is called acid. Which acid? Sulfuric acid. It acts as catalyst na beta. So acid catalyzed mechanism भी बोल सकते हैं. Right ना. So here in place of acidic medium, what we are doing, H plus is nothing but proton, protonation. Protonation takes place upon ethene. Okay, between carbon to carbon, here one is single bond, one is sigma bond, one more is pi bond. Pi bond is highly reactive bond. It's going to be delocalized towards the one of the carbon. Left भी delocalize कर सकते हैं, right भी कर सकते हैं as you wish. Because of this is symmetric molecule. Okay, beta? Right. So first suppose this pi bond was shifted to first carbon. Now first carbon will get the charges what? Minus. Minus के ऊपर क्या अटैक कर सकते हैं? Plus. Now H plus means proton going to be attack upon first carbon, means CH2 becomes CH3, and here double bond becomes single bond, and this is the CH2. It acts as donor group. So here CH2 contain the charge. Charge is nothing but plus. So what is the reactant? Ethene. Ethene undergo protonation. That gives C plus. What do you mean by C plus? Carbocation. I hope you understand step 1 clearly. Let us go for second step. Water attacking taking place. Attacking of water will be takes place on carbocation. Already we are getting carbocation in step 1 na beta. Same carbocation I am going to be right here. CH3 bonded to CH2. It contains H plus. So this is nothing but carbocation. Already we have prepared in step 1. Now that carbocation goes to be attacked by water molecule, means we are doing hydration. What is the formula of water molecule? H2O, or we can say OH2, no problem. And in water molecule always oxygen contains 2 lone pairs. Right, Nana. Again, second step, it is also nothing but reversible process, Nana. Right, listen carefully. In carbocation, carbon contain charge plus, means electron deficiency. In water molecule, oxygen contain 2 lone pair. This is electron efficiency. Carbon contain plus deficiency. Oxygen contain lone pair efficiency. Efficiency to deficiency. Donor to acceptor. We can donate the one lone pair of electron. Right. So water attacking on carbocation. Now I am going to write the product. CH3 bonded to CH2. Okay, beta. And to that CH2, one of the lone pair was given by whom? Oxygen. So we are making new bond with what? Oxygen. And it contains how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogen, H and H. Now listen here carefully. Already here carbon contain charge plus. So that plus will be neutralized by the accepting of what, Nana? Lone pair. Lone pair को accept करने के बाद a plus क्या हो सकता? Neutral बन जाएगा. But here oxygen donating its lone pair ना बेटा. So here oxygen contain the charge plus. If carbon contain plus, carbonium. If oxygen contain plus, this is nothing but oxonium ion. Right. Now that oxonium ion undergo last step, that is nothing but deprotonation to form the product. What is our final product, Nana? Ethanol. So step 3 heading we have to be write that deprotonation. We have to do deprotonation. Proton को remove करना पड़ेगा from where? Oxonium ion, and it forms what, Nana? Ethanol. Okay, oxonium ion. CH3 bonded to CH2 bonded to O. O connected to how many hydrogens here, beta? 2 hydrogen. And what is the charge of oxygen? Plus. So we have to say that this is nothing but oxonium ion. Now that oxonium ion undergo the process deprotonation. Proton को कट करके remove करना पड़ेगा. How to remove the proton? Oxygen contain charge plus. इस प्लस को न्यूट्रल बनाना है तो we required one minus, means we required one bond. So this bond I am going to be shift towards the oxygen. Automatically plus becomes neutral. This hydrogen is free hydrogen. We can remove in the form of H plus. Deprotonation was over. And plus becomes neutral. Remaining formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. So CH3 bonded to CH2 bonded to OH. This is our final product. This is nothing but what beta? Ethanol. So these are the three steps. They are involving in mechanism of hydration of ethene to ethanol. Starting reactant is ethene. Final product is nothing but ethanol. Ethene changes to ethanol. In involving in how many mechanism steps? Nana? Three steps. Once again, step 1 protonation. Step 2 water attacking. Step 3 deprotonation. So ethene changes into ethanol. This mechanism was ultimately important. I hope you understand clearly. Once again, make practice better, otherwise you won't get anything. Right. So ethene, यहाँ पर भी ethene. This is nothing but symmetrical alkane. Now I am going to discuss about the hydration of unsymmetrical alkanes. ethene is symmetrical alkane because आप बीच में से कट किए तो दो साइड भी सेम पार्ट आएगा बेटा. बट यहाँ पर I want to discuss about the hydration of addition of water in case of unsymmetrical alkanes. So in case of unsymmetrical alkanes, for the addition of water for the purpose of hydration, we have to follow the rule we know very well, that is nothing but Markovnikov rule. Very important. So according to Markovnikov rule only, we have to add the water molecule in case of what? Unsymmetrical alkanes. What is mean by Markovnikov rule? Negative part given to the carbon which contains less number of hydrogen. Yes or no beta? Right. So unsymmetrical alkane. Ethene is what? Symmetrical alkane. What is the unsymmetrical alkene example? As here I am going to take that example number 1. You suppose that is nothing but propane. CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH2. This is nothing but propane, or we can say that one propane. प्रोपेन बोल सकते हैं, नहीं तो वन प्रोपेन भी बोल सकते हैं बेटा. राइट. अगर तुमने यहाँ पर बीच में से कट किए समझो, वी वोंट गेट टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. Such alkenes are known as unsymmetrical alkanes. Okay beta. So now propane undergo hydration, means addition of water. Addition of water takes place in presence of same reagent, dilute sulfuric acid. Again this is also same thing, electrophilic addition reaction. Right Nana. So what I told you, in case of unsymmetrical alkene, what is the example of unsymmetrical alkene beta? Propane. In case of unsymmetrical alkenes, addition of water takes place as per Markovnikov rule. This condition was applied. Right. Now you suppose water contain OH minus and water contain H plus. OH minus and H plus. As per Markovnikov rule, negative part given to the carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. First unsaturated carbon, 2 hydrogens are there. In second unsaturated carbon, 1 hydrogen is there. In that 2 which contain less number of hydrogen, second carbon that going to be attacked by negative species, that is nothing but OH minus. So negatively charged species, it goes to be attacks upon the carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Okay, now tell me what is the product we are going to be get? CH3 bonded to CH. CH3 bonded to CH. CH contain less number of hydrogen, it going to be attacked by negative part. What is the negative part beta? OH. Next, automatically double bond becomes single bond. Because of this bond going to be shifts here. CH2 contain minus, minus attacked by plus. So CH2 becomes CH3. So what is the compound reactant is what? Propene. Propene on hydration in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, it gives the product is nothing but what Nana? 2-propanol. Or we can say propane 2-ol. Or we can say common name is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Shall I give you one more question for this unsymmetrical alkane? Right. Question example 2 बोल सकते हैं ना. CH3 bonded to C. Below plane is CH3. Double bond CH2. Double bond CH2. Again same thing. It undergo reaction with dilute sulfuric acid. What is the meaning of dilute sulfuric acid? Addition of water molecule will be takes place. Again addition of water, how to follow the rule is nothing but Markovnikov rule. Right. So water molecule contain what beta? H plus and OH minus. OH minus is negative part given to the unsaturated carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Here first carbon contain less number of hydrogen. Second carbon contain less number of hydrogen. Second carbon contain less number of hydrogen. So on this place they have to be add the OH minus and H plus given to the CH2. CH2 becomes CH3. Double bond become single bond. So the product is what beta? CH3 bonded to C. Already below plane one CH3 is there. Right side double bond becomes what, Nana? Single bond, and here it contains less number of hydrogens, so it goes to be attacked by negative part. The negative part is nothing but what? OH2. Again here पर CH2 becomes what, beta? CH3. Markovnikov rule was applied. Right. So this is nothing but which compound? We can say this is nothing but isobutene. Isobutene. Okay, beta. Or we can say 2-methyl propane. No problem. Anyway, isobutene upon hydration in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, it gives the product is nothing but tertiary butyl alcohol. Which alcohol, beta? Tertiary butyl alcohol. According to which rule we have to be follow? Markovnikov rule we have to be follow, beta. Right. Now be careful, Nana. One more question I want to give you here. So for that, try to do the hydration process. The question is CH3 bonded to C, above plane CH3, below plane CH3, bonded to CH double bond CH2, bonded to CH double bond CH2. This is the question I have given to you. And you suppose upon the arrow mark they have given that dilute sulfuric acid. Otherwise they will give you the condition addition of water takes place in acidic medium. Then they will ask you write the possible product, or we can say major product they are going to ask you. Right, Nana? So dilute H2SO4 or addition of water. Common thing is nothing but we have to follow the Markovnikov rule, Nana. Right. What is meant by Markovnikov rule? OH minus given to the less number of hydrogen carbon and H plus given to the carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. Let us see first of all attacking of H plus. Attacking of H plus. Right now, here I am going to write the answer. CH3 bonded to C, above plane is nothing but CH3, below plane is nothing but CH3, bonded to what, beta? CH. CH contain charge is what? Plus, and H plus given to what? CH2. CH2 becomes what, Nana? CH3. Because of this bond was shifted towards the CH2. CH2 contain minus. Minus attacked by plus. CH2 becomes CH3. This is donor having charges plus. But this is nothing but secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. Remember Karlo, one thing, this point was very, very important. In normal hydration process, alkanes on hydration in presence of dilute sulfuric acid, in that case rearrangement will be possible. Rearrangement will be possible means from primary carbocation as much as possible we can convert into secondary. Secondary we can convert into tertiary due to the migration of H atom or due to the migration of methyl shift also. Means we can do the rearrangement in case of normal hydration, in case of hydration with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, here we are getting secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation, this one we can convert into tertiary carbocation due to rearrangement, or due to we can say that methyl shift. Which shift? Methyl shift, Nana. Right. इस CH3 को यहाँ पर से CH के ऊपर shift कर दो बेटा. What we are getting? CH3 bonded to C, above plane is nothing but C. Sorry, this methyl got shifted, so this is nothing but charge is nothing but donor carbon plus, and below what is the group is there, beta? CH3. Right side what is the group is there? CH2. Again CH connected to what, Nana? CH3. And यहाँ पर CH के ऊपर क्या shift किया तुमने? We have shifted here CH3. So carbon connected to 3 carbon, this is nothing but tertiary carbocation. Now tertiary carbocation is more stable, means unstable becomes stable due to rearrangement. This is very important. Now it undergo reaction with OH minus because of water contain H plus and OH minus. H plus we have given here. Now we have to take what, Nana? Only OH minus. So now that OH minus going to be attacks upon tertiary carbocation, and we are getting the product is nothing but CH3 bond C, above plane OH, below plane what, beta? CH3 bonded to CH, again CH connected to CH3, again bonded to what is the group, Nana? CH3. This is your major product. Be careful, very, very, very important. Some other examples I have given in your fair notebook. Yes, I will send you through the WhatsApp, Nana. I hope you understand this clearly.